Welcome to the second class of our course. In this class, we are going to learn about activity 1, that is, type the statement you hear. You have to take care of three things here. The first one is that you will have just 1 minute to answer. Second one, that you can only rewind the audio for 2 times. And the third one is you need to take care of punctuation, especially comma and full stop. Let's see how it goes in the real exam.
I think it gives depth to the writing. Yes, she is at home.
Okay, so this is how you are going to get in the real exam. Now, how you can practice with us? We have prepared this practice series for you. Okay, the link is in the resources section. Just click there and you would be redirected to this Google form. You need not to enter any details here. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to listen to this statement here. Just click on this one here. Okay, so see here.
Why was she standing over there?
Okay, after that you would have 1 minute to answer. So let's say, okay, done. Now then jump on to the next question. Okay, listen to the statement and answer it here. Okay, take care of your comma and full stop. Okay, and once you are done with all these 50 statements, then you just submit. We will go through your answers and we will let you know how many were correct. Okay, now if you ask me how can I master this activity, what you need to do is you need to make a note of important words in your mind. You cannot make notes on let's say notebook or paper or even on your system. You just need to focus on few important words. First, try to listen. If you are not able to listen it properly, then just think what were keywords here and then try to draft your sentence. But that would only be required if you are not able to listen it properly. Okay, so right now we are providing you 50 sentences here. Okay, if you're practicing on all these, definitely you would be getting improved. So that's all about activity 1. Click on the link given in the resources section and practice on all these 50 statements. That's all guys, thank you very much. Now jump on to the next lecture for second activity.